Many of us act as if we are going to live forever. We postpone things that we know deep down we must do. Going after our dreams, telling those we love how we really feel, taking that course, not taking that job, saying yes, saying no. We forget there are no guarantees of next year, next month, or even tomorrow. We forget even the longest of lives flash by so fast. We settle, we give up, we accept less than we know we are worth, all the time knowing how short life is. Even though we know how short life is, we barely even live while we are alive. For most people, when their hearts stop beating, it will be a mere formality. The truth is, one day it will all be over. It is one of those very few guarantees you have in life. One day it will all be over. When you start every morning with that thought in mind, your life will become powerful because you can now release all fear from your life. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of anything. It is not a prescription to become reckless or careless, rather a license to go after your dream life, to stand up for what you believe in, to love more and live more. It is the knowing that every moment you spend on this earth is part of the legacy you will leave behind. With that in mind, you can choose kindness over being right. Choose the hard but rewarding task over the easy and meaningless one. Choose to help one another instead of yourself. Choose to become the person you want to be remembered as. Start right now. Steve Jobs said, "Death is very likely the single best invention of life." He said, "Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. You are already naked. There is no reason not to follow your heart." And he was right. He was so right. You have nothing to lose. You won't make it in the end, so live fully now. Go after your dreams and do it with passion. No stress, full effort, but no struggle. Live this day as if your days are numbered, because they are. It is nothing to fear. It is something to cherish. What if this was your last day? Would you be satisfied with your life if you went out tomorrow? Have you given all? Have you done yourself justice?